50 yards. Man, that shook my eardrums.
Ouch! That one hurt. Oh, yeah, I want to shoot. Now I'm going to shoot the 150 at the 100 yard. 150 grain at 100 yard.
Alrighty. Well, I'm shooting decent at 100. Now here he goes at 100. When he's done, we're going to see it. How we're shooting out there.
Am I top left?
Yep. Now that's a 30-06. I'm shooting a 270. Sorry about the camera shake, it's a little cold.
Whew.
Oh my God, my left ear's ringing.
Oh, holy crap.
Alright, let's see how we're doing.
Shoulder's gonna hurt tomorrow.
This is Robert Hathon.
Mark Blevins. And now we're running.
That's the 50-yarder.
Oh, bullseye!
That's where he was shooting with the 180s.
Ooh, right in the same hole. So 180 is definitely.
Now let's see how we're shooting at 100.
For that.
It's raining, the wind's blowing, and it's cold. We're trying to run to stay warm.
Oh, we got a dead deer. Bullseye.
I got one bullseye, shooting a little on the side. I'm about to do that again.
Did you adjust for these?
Yeah, I adjusted from them to there. And here we go at 100 with, what was it, 150?
grain. I'd say 150's fine to hunt with.